mean to say viral or bacterial, both of these infections, they need to be controlled and managed. Or we should rather be preventing these infections. And there is a very wonderful way that I started my topic with is vaccination. If you give the optimum appropriate vaccinations at a appropriate time to each and every child, then you can prevent all these viral and bacterial infections. I would say mostly, not all, but mostly. तो एक तरह से पूरे कंट्री का, पूरी स्टेट का जो डिजीज बर्डन है वो कम हो जाता है इससे. चलो डिजीज और स्टेट और कंट्री को छोड़ के अगर अपने ऊपर लें, हमारी फैमिली में अगर कोई बीमार हो जाए तो हाउ मच टाइम वी नीड टू स्पेंड फॉर दैट पेशेंट, अवर चाइल्ड. We have to spend money, we have to spend time, we have to take off and leave from our offices, from our businesses. And the stress and confusion and tension about your child getting all right, that is again, burdening you. So there is all the more important, all the more need to prevent all these infections. And when they are easily preventable, when they can be easily prevented through vaccinations, we should go for it. So again, I come to my question, why should you look into the vaccination card of your child today, now? So number one, if you are getting the vaccines from a government institution, say government hospitals, dispensaries, civil hospitals, PHC, so government is not providing all the vaccines to your child. Though we have progressed well during the last couple of years or 3-4 more years, there are many new vaccines they have been introduced. बहुत सारी vaccines नहीं आ गई हैं, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत important vaccines आज भी government centers में नहीं लगती. For example, pneumococcal vaccine. This is given at 6, 10 and 14 weeks. This prevents pneumonia and brain fever. That is not given in our government hospitals. After that, at 6 months, you are going to get flu vaccines. You are going to get typhoid vaccine. That again is not given in government centers. After that, at the age of 1 year, you are getting hepatitis A vaccine. Hepatitis A vaccine is to prevent jaundice, पीलिया जिसको कहते हैं, जो पानी से फैलता है, उस infection को बचाने के लिए. Then you are getting Japanese encephalitis, and this vaccine again is not being given in government hospitals. Chickenpox. So there are so many vaccines. I would just say that these are not being given at several hospitals. You need to just open up the card that you have. If it is government, card, then you are, in one instance, you should know that there are many vaccines that they have been missed for your child, and you have to wait and consult your doctor. Number 2. Now this we have been restricted with respect to our activities. हम लोग बहुत जैसे बड़े frequently बहुत COVID era, when this COVID infection is going on, there are 2 type of things that we can do. What is COVID infection? Coronavirus infection. This is primarily a respiratory infection that attacks your lungs. Though there are different variable signs and symptoms just coming with the ongoing research and presentations. जितने भी पेशेंट आ रहे हैं, कोई नए symptoms भी आ रहे हैं, नई चीज़ें भी पता लग रही है, कि बुखार कम हो रहा है, कईयों को कुछ symptoms नहीं हो रहे हैं, लेकिन ये वायरस प्राइमरली रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को भी अटैक करता है. तो जो भी वैक्सीन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को अदर इन्फेक्शंस लाइक इन्फ्लुएंजा एंड न्यूमोनिया बचाती हैं, लाइक फ्लू वैक्सीन, इन्फ्लुएंजा वैक्सीन इट इज कॉल्ड, एंड न्यूमोकोकल वैक्सीन. These 2 vaccines you should not at all miss. These 2 vaccines you should rather prioritize to get now, so that you get a bit of, infection जो कोरोना वायरस वाली इन्फेक्शन है, उससे भी किसी तरीके से रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम से अटैक होने वाली सिचुएशन से हम थोड़ा सा बेटर हो जाएं. We do not remain prone to respiratory infections due to corona. So ये 2 vaccines जरूर लगानी चाहिए. Now the latest research is also telling MR vaccine is also playing a role. I am not very sure. I am not saying that this is a very definite thing because this is a new infection. So researchers and doctors are coming out with new things. So I would again say MR vaccine, again you need to get prioritized. So rather I would say just have a look into your vaccination card, and you can just get help from a doctor of yours, your family doctor, your pediatrician, or we are always there to